Qatar Airways hiring in India 2026. Latest update you must know. Today's video is extremely important for anyone dreaming of working with Qatar Airways in India. Many people are asking, when will Qatar Airways start hiring in India? What are the requirements? How can I apply? In this detailed 15-minute guide, I'll explain the current hiring situation, job roles available, eligibility criteria, required skills, salary expectations, and step-by-step application process. So watch this video till the end because I'll also share important tips that can increase your selection chances. Is Qatar Airways hiring in India right now? Let's start with the most important question. The answer is yes, hiring is ongoing based on business needs. Qatar Airways does not usually announce one big hiring campaign date. Instead, they open vacancies throughout the year depending on operational demand. Currently, openings are typically seen in customer service, cargo operations, airport ground staff, HR and administration, IT and digital roles, corporate and finance roles. Hiring depends on city demand like Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, etc. So instead of waiting for a fixed date, you should monitor openings regularly. Types of jobs available in India. Let's break down common roles. KeyCap 1 Customer Service Officer. Handling passenger queries, check-in support, ticketing and documentation, managing complaints professionally. KeyCap 2 Cargo Operations Agent. Managing cargo documentation, coordinating with logistics teams, ensuring shipment compliance. KeyCap 3 Airport Ground Staff. Boarding coordination, passenger assistance, safety compliance. KeyCap 4 Corporate Roles. HR, finance, IT and digital transformation, management positions. Each role has different eligibility requirements. General requirements. Now let's talk about the most important part, requirements. Although criteria vary by position, here are general requirements. Heavy checkmark minimum graduation, for most roles. Heavy checkmark strong English communication skills. Heavy checkmark customer service experience preferred. Heavy checkmark professional appearance and grooming. Heavy checkmark ability to work in shifts. Heavy checkmark basic computer knowledge. For IT or technical roles, heavy checkmark relevant degree in IT/engineering. Heavy checkmark experience in software, digital systems, or analytics. For cargo roles, heavy checkmark logistics experience preferred. Heavy checkmark documentation knowledge. They focus heavily on professionalism, communication skills, confidence, problem-solving ability, customer-first mindset. Salary expectations. Salary depends on role and experience. Customer service and ground staff salaries in India generally range from moderate aviation industry standards depending on city and experience. Corporate and IT roles offer higher packages based on expertise. Remember, Qatar Airways is a premium international airline, so performance and professionalism matter. Step-by-step how to apply. Now let's talk about how you can apply. Step 1. Visit the official Qatar Airways careers website. Step 2. Select India as location. Step 3. Search for relevant job openings. Step 4. Create an account and upload updated resume. Step 5. Submit application and monitor email regularly. Pro tip. Tailor your CV according to job description. Do not send a generic resume. How to prepare for the interview. Now this is very important. Qatar Airways interviews usually focus on, tell me about yourself. Why do you want to join Qatar Airways? How will you handle difficult passengers? Customer service scenarios. Teamwork examples. Research about Qatar Airways, its global network, service standards, company values. Practice situational answers using the STAR method. Situation task action result. Dress professionally and maintain confident body language. Important tips to increase selection chances. Here are powerful tips. Heavy checkmark, keep resume simple and professional. Heavy checkmark, highlight customer handling experience. Heavy checkmark, improve English fluency. Heavy checkmark, maintain professional LinkedIn profile. Heavy checkmark, apply early. When vacancy opens. Heavy checkmark, stay active for walk-in announcements. Most candidates fail due to poor communication and lack of preparation. Preparation makes the difference. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Crossmark, sending incomplete CV. Crossmark, applying without checking eligibility. Crossmark, not researching company. Crossmark, overconfidence or poor grooming. Crossmark, giving negative answers about previous employers. Professional attitude matters a lot. If you truly want to work with Qatar Airways, stop waiting for big hiring dates. Hiring is ongoing throughout the year. Stay prepared. Stay updated. Apply consistently. Improve your communication. Build confidence. Opportunities come to those who are ready. That's the complete guide on Qatar Airways hiring in India 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more aviation job updates and interview preparation content. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll try to help you. See you in the next video, and best of luck for your aviation career.